Hello, I'm Ma Ray, Merina Rael at Gaia Galactic Network. I feel that we came here to learn what energy is all about. And now is a very important time to find out what that is. We are transforming. We are shape-shifting into the fifth dimension. I would like to share with you electromagnetic connection, activation, Mercaba shield that will be around your body after you activate it each day in the morning and the evening. Our body is very electric. It has a system that activates our nerves and our brains and helps us to walk. And we are being bombarded by electromagnetic frequencies from our cell phones, from cell towers, from outer space. And we need to ground. We need to put our feet on the ground barefoot because the rubber cuts off for frequency. We need to connect to Mother Earth again as we rebirth with her. For we are moving into the fifth dimension, like it or not. And if you want an easy ride or an easier ride, it's important to learn how to activate your own Mercaba, which is a light shield around your body. And I would like to teach it to you right now. It will take about 5 minutes each day, 5 minutes in the morning and 5 minutes in the evening. It will last about 6 hours. So, are you ready? Okay. So now we're ready to build your energy shield protection. So take a big deep breath and relax. Now, picture your heart is vibrating with divine love. It has love for yourself and all humanity. Then picture yourself flying up to the heavens, connecting with Father, Son, and your guides. Bring that energy down and connect with Mother Earth. See it in a spiral, energy going down, down, down into the earth, into the womb of Mother Earth. Now, you come back to your heart and see a pyramid that's going up. The pyramid is going in a clockwise motion. Then you see a pyramid going down, and it's going in a counterclockwise motion. Say light speed, and the energy expands into a light bubble around your body. Take a big deep breath and blow it out slowly. And as you do, you see the bubble expanding. and expanding. You may feel the energy shift in your body as you activate your energy shield. This should be done every morning when you get up in the morning and every evening when you go to bed at night. The shield will last for about 6 hours. It will protect you and also align you with the fifth dimension.